Hello everyone! Today I will be doing my highly requested dragon puppet tutorial. Here's the things you will need. 1. Obviously some paper. 2. Tape or glue WTV. I use tape. 3. Some scissors. 4. Pencil. Put your hand on the paper and draw a triangle around it. As you can see, I made it a little bit bigger for my hand for more space. This is the top jaw. Now, just cut that out. Done. Now for this part, you can use scraps or a new piece of paper. Now, just trace it. When you're done tracing, cut it out. Now you have 2 triangles. Now, again, use scraps or a new piece of paper. Right now, just cut out a strip of paper. Make sure it's a bit thick so your hand can fit, but not too thick. Once you're done, take your strip of paper and put it on top of one of the triangles. Make sure the strip is on the entire triangle, like this. I cut it to the length of the triangle BTW. Now, we'll tape it on. It should look like this RN. Now just tape the back so it's extra secure. Now we just have to fold it. Watch me. If you think it's too thick or too thin, just fold less or more. Should look something like that RN. Now tape the other triangle onto the strip. Only put a bit of the triangle on it so your hand can fit, like a really tiny amount. Then it should be something like this when you're done. There's no back side yet BTW. Then use scraps or new paper to cut out a new strip. Make sure the strip is the same size as the other one. Then when you're done, just do the same thing you did for the other side. Feel free to watch it again if you need to, cause I'm speeding this part up. I just took the strip, put it on the triangle and taped both sides, then folded it. Now trust the process. Cut off a bit of the triangle. If you cut too much, just tape it back on. Or don't. We're putting on a forehead anyway. It should look like this RN. Now for the bottom jaw, take the top jaw and put it on a new sheet of paper. Put your hand in it, then trace. I forgot to trace the top, but then just cut it out. Should be something like this. Now take the top jaw and put it on top. The bottom jaw is gonna be shorter, so decide where you want to cut it and fold that spot. If it's to your liking, then cut it. Once you're done, take that and trace it and cut it out. Now you have to. Now cut out this strip and do the same thing. If you need help with this part, keep watching. If you don't, fast forward. Strip cut. Take the strip and put it on the bottom jaw. Remember, only a little bit of the strip goes on, but not too little. Tape the strip on. Both sides need to be taped. Once you're done, cut the strip to the same length as the jaw. You can use the strip you cut for the other side. Now fold. If the strip is too thin or thick, fold less or more. Now do the same thing but for the top part of the jaw. I taped the other part on the strip and folded it, and then took the strip I cut off and taped and folded. Now it should be like this so far. Now just take some tape and tape the two jaws together. Put your design on when you're finished. Smiley face. I put my design on. Do you like it? Her name is Candy. I really like the back of her. Now we will make the forehead. What I do is I put paper over the dragon like this. Then cut it to the width of the space between the two designs on the dragon. This is the width for me, so I just cut the rest from here. Done. Now I put it on top of the head. And tape. Keep taping until you get to the start of the nose bridge. Reminder, if some of the paper is too thick, just trim it off so you can tape. Like this. Then just keep taping. Once you're done, cut off the rest of the paper from here. Then just cut a strip of paper the width of the nose area. Line it up, then tape again. When you're finished, cut out a strip of paper the width of the nose part. This part. Line up and fold the paper you're not gonna use. Then cut on the fold. It should look something like this. Now tape it on. Almost done. Close. So close. And now you have a finished dragon with a 3D forehead. Goodbye, everyone. Oopsies, looks like this video isn't over yet. Thank you so much for 3K. I'm so grateful for all of you. And also, sorry if I didn't explain too well. I hope I helped you at least a bit. Bye, Cinnamon Buns.